Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Dell Alienware 13 laptop driver. So first you have to come this website www.dell.com. Then click on support and then click on driver download. Then you enter the name. Alienware 13. Select this. After that you can see this like this screen. Scroll down. Select the driver. You can click on automatic, so automatically you will install driver. If you want to facing some issue selected, so you can select the driver, then select the first operating system. Scroll down, then click on category so you can easy to find. Then scroll down, this is BIOS driver, this is NVIDIA, and you can see the all driver you can see here. So first graphic card driver, so click to download. You can see it is start downloading. It will take some time, depend about your internet speed. So it is downloaded, then single click to open, then click yes. Then directly you can extract, otherwise you can install directly. You just click to download, install. Then you can see this is installer NVIDIA. So this is not a laptop, that's why it coming error. So you install your laptop this model number, so not show this error. Then next to install license, and in next, and after that last installations, then finish and then close it. Okay, then next method. So this is audio driver, just click to download. So guys, audio driver is downloaded, so single click to open. Then click on yes. After that audio code, and click on install. Now you can see it is installing the driver, preparing installations. Then next. So wait few seconds. So guys, you can install, after install restart and restart later process. So no, you will restart later. Chipset driver, and click to download. And it is completed, it will show automatically, just click on it and then yes, then extract, and you can install directly. So install, click on install. Then next, I accept, install. So you can see the chipset driver installing. So it is completed. After that you can see installation successfully complete. Just click on finish. Then mouse and all. So you can see Dell touchpad. So click to download. So it is start downloading touchpad driver. So it is completed. After you can see just touchpad, Dell touchpad, single click to open. Then click yes. Dell touchpad driver, click to click install. So when you click to next to install, after that restart your system. Okay, the updated installer operations is successfully, then close it. Then you can see Bluetooth driver. This is Wi-Fi driver. Okay, so this is Bluetooth, and click to download. So it is completed. Then open. Then yes, install. Now you can see the background installing. So it is completed, and then close it. So Wi-Fi driver, click to download. Same is installing. So it is completed. Then open Wi-Fi driver. Then click on yes. Then install. Wireless means Wi-Fi. Install. Now you can see it is installing. You can see it is installing in the background. So installer pending reboot. So you just complete. Then next to install. This is very simple. If you are facing some issues, so you directly comment me. Then close it.